How to link Devil May Cry with Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Devil May Cry Peak of Combat and want to link your game account with Facebook, firstly open up the Devil May Cry Peak of Combat game on your device. From the main game screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner, and then once you're inside the settings menu, click on User Center. Inside User Center, go ahead and tap on Manage Account, and on the next page, click on the Bind button right next to Facebook. Now, you'll see this Request Access tab where you'll need to click on Continue. If you see the login interface for Facebook, go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials and sign in. And you'll see this Continue button, just tap on it. And you have successfully linked Devil May Cry Peak of Combat with Facebook. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.